Alright. 5th gen Honda Prelude, APEXi, and 1. So I used to have this on my 2000 Civic Si back in the early 2000s, and I am working on importing with right-hand drive specialties a 97 Prelude Type S from Japan, and I wanted to put a couple of period correct parts on it. And since I had this on my EM1 and loved it, I wanted to also put it on the Prelude. And I haven't seen any unboxings on YouTube, and I was curious what hardware came with it, what was included, because it's been so long I can't remember. Laid out in there. And then this was just taped up on the side here. Man, I remember getting this exhaust when I was a teenager and saving for it. Really didn't think I'd ever have it again. But here we are. Let's see if you can get an idea for it. It's bigger than I remember. Good Lord. The sound of it just was awesome. So we're gonna have the sound again. That's craziness. But that's the muffler there, and then here's your resonator, and then it's got one more piece that'll connect to the cat to the front, so something like that. Or hold on, you're gonna go cat, yeah, like that. We'll go catalytic converter, then connect there, and then muffler out the back. It's actually gonna go, I think, that way. Yeah. But yeah, that's it. And there's all the hardware and all, and you get 3 gaskets. So they give you everything you need to do it, which is cool. So here's the exhaust laid out. I bought new hangers for it. The ones that were on the car were just really loose and old. I've had it on the car for a while. This is old footage, and first off, the best thing about it is the sound. My only negative is it just hangs a little bit lower than I think it should under the chassis. So like going over a speed bump or something, it's definitely the first thing that's going to scrape, as it's the lowest point. They gave you all the hardware. I had to have a shop do it because since the Type S has a larger cat, I had to have it welded at that end, or I would have done it myself. But other than that, it's nice and angled like I wanted. It's period correct. The sound is great. So yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate it, guys.